Go over the brittle fiddle. Use the table to answer the questions. Looks like we have number of hours, 1, 2, 3, and n. And then we have total cost of some service, 50 plus 10 times. Looks like the number of hours. Saying that out loud can help you answer the question. But notice the 50 stays the same all the way through with the first three examples. If it stays the same in the first three, it's going to stay the same in the next one. The plus signs are going to stay the same. These are known as constants. The 10 is going to stay the same. The times is going to be the same. The parentheses are going to stay the same, but what changes are these numbers that are called the variables. The 1, 2, and 3 are going to turn into an n, so I'm going to put an n right there. It's kind of like copying and pasting, and then whatever the variable becomes, you, well, write it where it goes. That's about it. So if we simplify this, it would look like 50 plus 10 times n. Remember the multiplication, you can just put the 10 and the n right next to each other. So let's see which one looks like that. Oh, nice. A looks just like that. So let's select A for our answer. No, you're wrong because you don't put them together. The n's on the wrong number. There is no n. And E is basically a more complicated way as to answer it like B. So you're also wrong. All right. If the number of hours was 10, what would the total cost? What would be the total cost? Well, if you have 10 for n, the number of hours, then put it in right there. So let's substitute. Let's go 50 plus 10 times 10. That's one way to write it. You could also write it 10 times 10. I like to substitute with parentheses. 10 times 10 is 100, plus 50 means 150. So whatever this service is, if you used it for 10 hours, it would cost you $150. All right, that's about it for the brittle fiddle. We'll see you in class.